Well, many of us know that on most big-ticket financial transactions like mortgages and insurance policies, we pay trailing commissions that can last for decades. But what most of us don't know is that we can claim it back, even if it's thousands of dollars. Jackie Quist reveals how to set yourself up by Christmas for a refund you didn't expect.
Every year I will receive a cheque for my trailing commissions. It's fantastic.
Christmas has come early for Gillian Lazara in the form of a cheque for $2,290, money she didn't even know she could claim.
I'm very happy about it. Couldn't come at a better time.
Gillian has clawed back the trailing commission she's paid over the past year on her mortgage, as well as those included in her life insurance and superannuation.
I thought, why not? It's free money. Well, it's not free money, it's my money.
A trailing commission is the money paid to someone who has sold a financial product to a customer for as long as that customer's money stays in the account.
Choice Magazine's Christopher Zinn points out trailing commissions are usually hidden in the fine print of finance documents. They look like minuscule amounts, 0.6% on average. But they're an ongoing, very lucrative source of income for financial planners.
Look, it's really money for jam. They perform a service 1 year, and for every year that your money stays in the account, they keep getting their hit. It's a fantastic racket. People have got very rich out of it, but it does consumers no favours.
You can, of course, avoid products with trailing commissions. Industry super funds, for instance, don't charge them.
Industry super funds have low fees, pay no commissions, and are run only to profit members.
But if you do pay them, accountant Hamish Pym has devised a way to reclaim. He's the director of website iRefund.
iRefund acts as a broker. All brokers can claim trailing commissions. The difference between iRefund and the normal broker is that we collect them for our customers on behalf of our customers and then give them back to them. All you're doing is changing the person or the group authorised to collect the commissions. You're not changing any of the details, ownership or control of the underlying investments.
It almost sounds too good to be true.
Well, it's just the way the industry's been set up. You, as the consumer, can choose who you want to receive the commissions on your financial products.
Gillian will now receive an annual cheque. The only catch is she had to refinance her home loan for iRefund to be able to claim commissions.
We had to refinance, but we're at a point where we were ready to refinance, so it was a little bit of paperwork, but not a challenge.
The average amount for iRefund is typically between $1,000 and $2,000 a year. However, we are paying out cheques for much larger figures than that.
It's money you can't reclaim on your own. Only someone who holds an Australian Financial Services licence can reclaim trailing commissions, like your own accountant or financial advisor.
So, look, you're not entitled to get it back, but ultimately, whatever the financial services industry say, you end up paying for it, or one way or another. You end up paying for the financial planner's holiday house or their boat or their car or whatever it is. And really, you want that money to be growing in your investments, not in terms of their assets.
Well, I guess the industry is set up that way, and I've just always assumed that you couldn't do anything about it. But it kind of annoyed me that their pockets were getting fatter with my money. But having said that, again, I just assumed that was the way it went, and I didn't really have an opportunity to do anything about it anyway.
You must be hated and loathed by brokers.
Don't say that.
Our advice is to avoid products which have trailing commissions attached. It's going to make the planners cry crocodile tears right around Australia to hear that. But really, you need to look after your interests and not theirs.
Yeah, and if you'd like to work out how much you're entitled to, we've put a link for the calculators